Chapter 6, Imagination, the Workshop of the Mind. Napoleon Hill begins Chapter 6 by describing imagination as the workshop where all plans are created. He explains that the mind has two types of imagination, synthetic imagination and creative imagination. Both are essential for turning ideas into wealth and success. Synthetic imagination involves rearranging old ideas, concepts, or plans into new combinations. This is the most commonly used form of imagination, as it draws from existing knowledge and experiences. Hill points out that many successful businesses and inventions have come from improving or combining previous ideas. For example, the first automobile wasn't created from entirely new knowledge, but by reimagining existing machinery like carriages and engines. On the other hand, creative imagination operates at a higher level. It is the realm of original ideas and inspiration, often appearing as hunches or flashes of insight. Hill describes creative imagination as a direct link to infinite intelligence, the mysterious force that connects all living things. He emphasizes that creative imagination is often activated by a strong desire and becomes more effective with practice and use. Hill shares a powerful story to illustrate imagination's role in success. He recounts the story of Edwin C. Barnes, who had a burning desire to work with Thomas Edison. Despite having no money or connections, Barnes imagined himself as Edison's partner and took action to make it happen. His synthetic imagination led him to approach Edison and offer his services. Over time, Barnes's unwavering vision and persistence earned him the opportunity to sell one of Edison's inventions, which made him a fortune. Imagination, Hill explains, must be nurtured and developed, like any other skill. He outlines several methods to strengthen imagination. 1. Cultivate your curiosity. Always seek new experiences and knowledge. 2. Engage in creative problem solving. Look for innovative ways to overcome challenges in your life or industry. 3. Visualize your goals daily. Use vivid mental imagery to see yourself achieving your desires. Hill emphasizes that imagination is the starting point of all riches. Every fortune begins with an idea, and that idea must be refined through imaginative planning. However, he warns against letting fear or self-doubt stifle creativity. These negative emotions block the flow of imagination and prevent you from realizing your potential. Another key takeaway from this chapter is the role of imagination in adapting to change. Hill explains that successful people use imagination to identify opportunities in adversity. When faced with setbacks, they see possibilities instead of obstacles. This mindset allows them to pivot, innovate, and thrive, even in challenging circumstances. Hill concludes by urging readers to take action on their ideas. Imagination alone is not enough. It must be combined with definite plans and persistence. He reminds readers that the most successful individuals are those who dare to dream big and use their imagination to turn those dreams into reality.